Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to find folders with Listary on your Windows PC. If you have hundreds of folders and don't want to browse through File Explorer every time, Listary makes finding them fast and easy. Let's get started. First, make sure Listary is running in the background. You should see its icon in the Windows system tray. To open the Listary search box, simply press the *Ctrl*** key twice. The search window will appear instantly. Now type the name of the folder you want to find. You don't need to type the full folder name. Listary will immediately display matching folders as you type. The search results update in real time, making it easy to locate the correct folder within seconds. Use the up * and down arrow * keys to highlight the folder you want, then press *Enter* to open it directly in File Explorer. This is much faster than manually navigating through multiple drives and directories. If you only remember part of the folder name, don't worry. Listary's Smart Search can still find matching folders, helping you save time and improve your workflow. You can also search for folders while you're already using File Explorer. Simply activate Listary, type the folder name, and jump directly to the location without browsing through each directory manually. For the best experience, keep Listary running automatically when Windows starts and organize your folders with clear names. This helps Listary return faster and more accurate search results. That's all for this tutorial. You now know how to quickly find folders with Listary on Windows. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.